Hey, what's up everybody? How are you doing? My name's Tim with Lawn and Beyond, and I am just here in Panama City Beach right now with Anthony, and we are out here just chilling on like a little business retreat. Got some education at the Lawn Life event, and then we headed down to Panama to hang out for a couple days and really just we had a tough year, and it was the most profitable year, and got a lot of learning, especially this winter time, a lot of things that we're going to implement. And I wanted to share a video with you on limited beliefs. And with limited beliefs, like such as Anthony right now, you know, he's never been to the ocean, and so I thought it was going to be an awesome time to bring him out here to just lift up his beliefs and lift up him as an individual and reward him, because he did awesome this year, and he stuck it out. He was one of the only guys that stuck it out this past year that I'm willing to keep around, because you gotta bring the best and you gotta give the best. And this year we're gonna go from $260,000 to $600,000 in sales, and I really need help with it. And hopefully he's gonna be all in, and we're gonna build an awesome team. And to do that, I had to realize, especially this year, is what I'm focused on, is that my limited belief is that I thought there was not enough. I thought there was not enough, say, money for me. I thought there was not enough customers out there, customers that are willing to pay a price that I felt that I was worth. But at the same time, I also felt that nobody was going to want to pay it, and maybe I was not deserving or not worth it. And so this year I'm breaking all the barriers, and I'm going to go for it, because I am tired of not being where I want to be. And you have to do it by pushing yourself forward and breaking those barriers, those mental blocks in your head that hold you back from where you want to go. And I know you probably have dreams and passions and desires on where you want to go, but you haven't pushed yourself hard enough, because maybe you don't want it enough. But I got more fear in not doing it than I have in doing it. So it is a lot of fear in doing it, because you're facing an unknown thing that you don't know. And when you finally face that thing, you realize that wasn't really so hard. It was a leap of faith, and at the same time, you're gonna win. And when you win, success happens behind it. But you do gotta push hard for it. And besides the mental barrier, there is a lot of work to be done with it. But at the same time, you guys aren't giving yourself enough credit on what you should get, what you deserve, and what you do, and your own value. And you got to step up your game, step up your self-conscious, and wake up and remove the barriers, remove the blinders off of your eyes, off of your mind, and take a step forward. Because 5 years ago, I was homeless, and I didn't have anything, and I literally started this business from scratch. And for me to say our 6th year in, at the end I want to hit 600,000, like even if we hit 500, I'm going to be so happy, because the learning process, and for me to get here, most people that I talk to that have been in business for 5 years, they're not pushing themselves to get in an area that they're not doing all the work and wearing all the hats, because I know I can't grow a successful business, and I want to have employees that I can personally pay a decent wage and stop getting out of the $12 an hour, $14, $15 an hour. And I want to pay $18, $20, $25 an hour in my business, so I have awesome employees that will stick around, and they'll value themselves, they'll value the company, and will become an awesome company and a great asset to our clients. And to do that, I have to break my barriers and believe that we're worth more and we're worth it. Not just me, but the business and also my employees. Hopefully this isn't too windy, because it's like This wind is blowing on my face right now. But we're about to go get some dinner here right now. Sun's about to set. Hope you all have a blessed 2020 and that you got all your goals in focus. And now set the date for every goal that you have right now. And I want you to put a plan to action for them. And if you think you're only worth $40, $50 an hour, I need you to bring that up to 60 right now. Don't look back. Don't have any fear, because if you've been in the business for a couple years and you're fully insured and you got employees and you got workman's comp and all the things that we're paying for and we have value for, and you got a CRM and you're doing follow-ups and automations and your customers love you, well, you need to raise that price. If you don't have the value there, then get the value there and then bring your prices up, because that's something I'm doing, I've had to do. We're at $70 an hour per guy in the field, and this year I'm going to be completely out of the working field and into creating the systems for my office so I can hire an office staff at least part-time mid-year. And then I'm also going to be just doing estimates and sales and focused generating those leads and converting those people into clients so we can serve them. But anyways, I love you guys. Thanks for watching this. Hope it brought some value to. Get motivated, because guess what? It's the end of January and it's a new year. So I love you guys. See ya.